A very warm good morning to everyone. Students, as you all know that in the last class we have started our fraction chapter and we have completed our part 1. And in that we have understood about the points that we have to remember about the fraction chapter. And with that we have completed our exercise 1. So, what we did in the exercise 1? Yes, we have written the fraction. The shapes were already given to you, and by seeing that shapes, we have to write down the fraction. Okay, so in today's class, we are continuing with the part 2 and the chapter's name is fraction. Right? So my dear students, take out your maths notebook and continue with the exercise 3. Exercise 2 was your homework. I hope you have done the homework in your maths notebook. So, on the new page, write down today's date and write down exercise 3. So, my dear students, in the previous class, I already told you that this our fraction chapter is divided into 2 parts. The first part we have done in which we have written the fraction, right? So now in our part 2, what we have to do? Yes, the fraction is given to you and we have to shade the fraction, right? हमें क्या करना है? Fraction दिया गया है and from that हमें shapes को shade करना है, right? So let us start. So, on the new page, write down today's date and start with the exercise 3. So, the heading is Shade the Fraction. Exercise 3, Shade the Fraction. Okay. So, here the first one is 1 upon 4. What else you can say? 1 by 4. Right? So, students, see. This shape is like a diamond, okay, and it has 4 equal parts, right? ये diamond का shape है और इसको 4 equal parts में divide किया गया है, right? So students, 4 parts already दिए गए हैं. आपको क्या करना है? आपको shade करना है किसी भी एक part को, right? आप यहाँ भी shade कर सकते हो, यहाँ भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ कर सकते हो और यहाँ भी कर सकते हो. But we have to shade only one part. If अगर आप 2 पार्ट्स को शेड कर देते हो तो आपका पूरा सम रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, राइट? सो लेट अस सी व्हाट मैम हैज शेडेड इन दिस. सो 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I have shaded this first part, right? Students, you can use the lines or else you can shade that, right? With the pencil only, but थोड़ा light shade करना. Okay, shade आप दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हो. ऐसे lines draw कर सकते हो, okay, और else आप कलर भी कर सकते हो light एकदम, वो भी pencil से. Okay, so now here the second one is 1 upon 5, right? So this rectangle is divided into 5 parts. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? And we have to shade one part, right? We have to shade one part. Okay, my dear students. So you can shade the first part, second, third, fourth, fifth. I mean to say, आप first part को अगर shade करते हो, that is also okay. First part को छोड़ के second में करते हो, that is also okay. See, I am showing you one example. See, 1 and 2. Okay, see, I have shaded this third one. Okay, so students, is the exam अगर आप fourth में भी एक shade कर दोगे ना, fourth वाला, see, so that is also correct. Okay, कोई भी part में से एक part आप shade कर सकते हो. Okay, see, I have shaded here the third one, so this one is also right. Okay, so now let us continue with the third. See, 2 upon 4, right? Or else you can say 2 by 4. See, this circle is divided into 4 parts. See, part 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now students, among these 4 parts, you can shade any 2 parts, right? So let us shade that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, why I am saying like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Because this I am shading, that's why. Okay, so this I have shaded. Okay, now the fourth one. See, the fourth one is 3 by 4. Okay, so now this square is divided into 4 parts. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so हमें क्या करना है? 3 parts को shade करना है. So let us shade. 1, 2. Okay, like this we will shade. So like this we will shade. See, as you can see, my dear students, how I have shaded, right? So this way, with the help of scale, you can shade this in this way. It looks very decent manner, right? So now we have completed till 4th. Let us continue with the 5th and 6th. Yes, the 5th one is 3 upon 5. Okay, so this rectangle is divided into 5 parts. So let us shade the 3 parts. Okay, students, you can shade the first 3 parts also, right? आप एक छोड़ के एक को भी शेड कर सकते हो, जैसे दिस वन 1, 2, 3. ओके, और एल्स आप पीछे के 3 भी शेड कर सकते हो. ओके, बट एकदम नीटली शेड करना है. अगर आपने सब शेड कर दिया है एंड फिर रब किया है, सो आई विल नॉट अलाउ दैट. आई विल कट द मार्क्स देयर. Okay, so let us shade. See, I have shaded the first part here, right? Then I have shaded the third part. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, see how nicely it is looking, right? So this way you have to shade the part. Okay, students, about the linings, आप lining सीधी भी draw कर सकते हो. This way. This is vertical and horizontal भी आप draw कर सकते हो. See, let me show you the other one, that is 6th. Okay, so the 6th is half. Okay, so this triangle is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, so now let us see which part ma'am has shaded. Okay, so the first one. Okay, see, I have shaded here in the horizontal way. The 5th one I have done in the vertical, right? And this is horizontal. Vertical means सीधी, and this triangle मैंने horizontal किया है, right? So you can use any of the method, right? So here students, so here we have completed our exercise 3 and exercise 4 will be your homework. Okay, so with that we have completed our fraction chapter here. Okay, my dear students, so in the fraction chapter, first one was points to remember, then exercise 1, write the fraction. Exercise 2 is also same, and that is your homework. Exercise 3 and 4 is shade the fraction, in which today we have done the exercise 3 and exercise 4 is your homework, right? So my dear students, in our fraction chapter, in all we have 4 exercises. Okay, so in the next class, I will send the worksheet. You have to practice that also. Okay, my dear students, have a nice day.